Okay everyone, it's Coach Tony Morgan, and today we're going to have another conversation, and the topic on today's conversation is going to be about why you need a coach. Anyway, I've got Marius with me. He's doing his mentorship program and is also being coached by myself, and we're going to talk about the benefits of having a coach. Well, I'm going to go into Marius straight away because Marius has also had coaching experience with a different type of industry, and we're just going to explain what his experiences have been by having a coach and what he's done for him. So Marius, just explain to guys what effect a coach had on you.
Yeah, hi everyone. Well, my experience of coaching was actually quite successful. In the past, there was a time when I really wanted to go into business, and I had multiple ideas of how to do it, but nothing worked out until I really started attending events and then found a particular coach. His name was JT Fox. I don't know if you've heard of him, but he sort of had a CD program which was also downloadable online. So I downloaded it and went through his program step by step, and I thought, oh my God, this is exactly what I need to do. So I did. I started a business, an online business, selling consumer products online. And it actually took off. So I thought, wow, that's a power of coaching. Now, there are different levels, of course, of coaching where, I experienced that, okay, you can bring your business to $250,000, but then turnover, that is, but then, you're not really going to grow without further coaching. So I have not really sought further coaching in that area. But I thought, well, going into a different industry, as a gas engineer, I thought, well, what should I do as a new gas engineer? What should I do in terms of, starting on the right path? Instead of having multiple ideas of, I can do this, I can install boilers, I can repair boilers, I can do anything, I can drop prices, I can compete with anyone on prices. But I thought, well, hang on, step back, what did you do in the past that was successful? And I remember distinctly that I went to see this guy, JT Fox, speak on stage and downloaded his program, and I thought, wow, what do I need to do? Who is the best at this in gas engineering area? Who could teach me best in the best way? Who is actually inclined to teach you, not just showing what he does or so on online. There's like many YouTubers who are gas engineers, but they're not really inclined to take you through that journey, because it's not easy. I think a coach, you've got to choose a coach that is actually willing to coach you, and you have to be coachable. You have to learn, even though you disagree with certain things, you've got to make sure you follow that system, because your coach got where he is by doing certain things, and those things have to be learned. You've got to learn, even though you think you could still do it, don't stop. That was my thinking, and that's why I approached yourself, Tony, and I thought, wow, when I first met you for my gas portfolio, I thought, oh, wow, Coach Tony Morgan really knows what he's doing, because every time I went with him on a journey, like with let's say a repair or a service or a gas safety check, every single journey in the customer's house was smooth, and I thought, how is he able to do it? And there you go. I joined him on the mentorship program, and he told me exactly how to do it. Now I have to follow the steps. That's my sort of take on this, and I think without Coach Tony Morgan, I would not be where I am. I wouldn't be building my confidence the way I am. That's my sort of short journey to coaching.
That's absolutely right, and you articulated that absolutely perfect. Yeah, that's what coaching does for you guys coming into this industry. And the coach, like myself, I'm going to push you, I'm going to challenge you, but I'm going to do it in the right way, which will make you move forward fast. Because it's a bit like, say if you go to the gym and you've got a trainer, a coach, and you're on a treadmill. If you're on your own on a treadmill, you give up easy. You don't want to put the effort in, but with a coach at the side of you, it gets an extra mileage out of you. Put that effort in, you run faster, you last longer. And that's what I do. And with this coaching program, mentorship program, what I'm doing, it's giving people like Marius that head start on someone who starts on his own without not a clue what to do. He's fumbling about, making mistakes. He's putting himself back years. But with this program, you're going to hit the ground running and accelerate fast. So that's the reason why you need a coach. So all you need to do is click on this link below and find out more about what I'm doing. But I'll just give you a heads up on the coaching and the mentorship program. It's actually getting reconstructed, the new coaching and mentorship program. But it's going to be better, it's going to be more improved, gone through lots of development, gone through mistakes, things what happens when you're building a business like this. You learn from your mistakes, you learn from trial and error, you learn from experimenting, all these things, because it's an ongoing journey. No one is going to get it perfect. I won't get it perfect, you won't get it perfect. We're just growing all the time. As long as we're going forward, that's the main thing in this journey of what we're in this gas industry. And that's what Marius has chose to do. He's picked me to help him succeed in his journey as well. So anything else you want to say about this, Marius?
No, it has been an amazing month. So we've had 3 weeks now together going on jobs, and wow, I was definitely blown away because like when you watch videos where people do jobs and they show what's what and stuff, it's a bit distant when you actually go on the journey with an experienced gas engineer who's actually coaching you, telling you exactly what to do, what not to do in your journey, and then kind of sculpting you as a masterful engineer. I think that's amazing. I've had really amazing experience doing that, to be honest.
Wonderful. Yeah. And for guys who cannot make this type of program, can't commit the time to do the mentorship program, well, we've got some other new things coming out, which we're going to be introducing online training. That's coming out soon as well, and that's going to be a really great thing. It's going to be, people who sign up for this are going to be blown away by the amount of information, what they're going to learn. It's going to be revolutionary what you're going to see in this. So I'll keep you updated on that. It's going to be, like I said, coming out soon. This new online training. So as I said, watch out for that, and you're going to be blown away. So that's going to be it on this subject of why you need a coach, and hopefully we'll see you on the next video. So bye for now.